Choosing between acrylic and laminate finishes for interiors is like deciding whether to wear a shiny leather jacket or a classic denim one. Acrylic gives you that glossy look at me shine, like it's ready for a photo shoot. It's sleek and modern. Laminate on the other hand is like your reliable denim jacket. Durable, practical and doesn't mind a little wear and tear. Mirror-like gloss or limitless designs. Premium aesthetics or budget-friendly versatility. It's the ultimate face-off between acrylic and laminate. Which finish is perfect for your interiors? In this video, we are breaking it all down. Looks, durability, costs and more to help you decide which finish wins the battle for luxury interiors. Let's start with acrylic. The most commonly used acrylic is the high gloss acrylic. Acrylic is known for very high gloss levels. It is a highly reflective finish that creates a luxurious, modern look. If you're aiming for premium interiors, acrylic is unmatched. It's made of a lightweight, shatter-resistant plastic that's fused onto a core material like MDF or HDF HMR. Now let's talk about laminate. Laminates are made by infusing layers of paper with resin under high pressure and temperature. The top layer is where the magic happens. It can mimic wood, metal or any pattern you can imagine. Plus it's available in matte, gloss and textured finishes, making it incredibly versatile. Let's compare them with number 1 point, aesthetics. If you prefer a modern home with a sleek glossy finish, acrylic is the ideal choice. Its mirror-like finish is stunning, creating depth and brightness in any space. If you're designing luxury kitchens or wardrobes, acrylic gives you that premium ultra-glossy vibe that's hard to beat. On the other hand, laminates offer unparalleled variety. From glossy to matte, wood grain to metal textures and even custom patterns, laminates offer endless possibilities. Thanks to the wide variety of brands available in the market, you get an extensive range of options to choose from. Number 2. Durability. Both finishes are durable, but in different ways. Acrylic is resistant to scratches, stains and UV rays, making it a long-lasting option. However, high-gloss acrylic is prone to fingerprints, so it's best used on vertical surfaces like cabinet shutters. Laminate on the other hand is ideal for high-touch areas. Thanks to its protective overlay, it resists scratches, stains and even spills. In Indian kitchens where turmeric, chutney and dal can test your surfaces, laminate holds up like a champ. Number 3. Cost. Let's talk numbers. Acrylic is a premium finish and it comes with a higher price tag. It's an investment but one that elevates look and the feel of your interiors. Laminates on the other hand are more cost effective. Not just in terms of initial purchase but also in maintenance. If you need durability and style without breaking the bank, laminate is a great choice. Number 4. Maintenance. Acrylic is easy to clean, just a soft cloth and it will do all the work. But since it's prone to fingerprints, you need to wipe it regularly to maintain its pristine look. Laminates are even easier. They are non-porous, so liquids and stains don't seep through. A simple wipe is all it takes, even after a spill of pickle or butter chicken. So what's the takeaway? If you want a high-gloss, luxurious look and don't mind spending a bit more, acrylic is the way to go. But if you need a versatile, durable and budget-friendly option, laminate is the perfect choice. And here's a tip. Why not use both? Pairing acrylic with laminate can give you the best of both worlds. For example, for your high-touch areas like the lower cabinets in the kitchen, you can have laminate finish, while the upper cabinets have acrylic for that aesthetic look. What's your pick? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with people who are getting their house revamped or getting interiors done. For more insights and trends, stay tuned to Casantro. See you next time.